welcome to all of you. Student, this is the fifth chapter of your English book, and the topic is George the miser. So here is the person whose name is George, and he was so miser. Miser means kanjoos, means he did not wanted to expend any money on his wife, yeah, on himself, because he was too miser. So let's see what the story is saying about that person and what kind of person he was. So student, here is given. George was a hard-working man who earned well for himself. However, unfortunately, he was quite a miser and did not want to spend a single penny on himself or on his wife. So here is a person whose name is George. Although he was so hard-working, so toiling man and earned lots of money, but unfortunately, misfortune, he was quite miser and did not wanted to spend any money या any single penny on for his desire या for her his वाइफ. सो हियर इज़ ए पर्सन. यहाँ पे एक आदमी, इसका नाम जॉर्ज है. हालांकि वह बहुत ही हार्ड वर्किंग है, बहुत ही मेहनत करता था और उसने बहुत सारा धन इकट्ठा कर लिया, बट बेचारा इतना ज़्यादा कंजूस था कि वह एक भी पैसा ना तो अपने ऊपर ना ही अपनी पत्नी के ऊपर खर्च करता था. Neither did he ever take his wife out for dinner, nor did he ever buy her a present. Means he was too miser that he never ever went out with his wife, and neither he buy anything for his wife. वह इतना कंजूस था कि ना तो वह कभी अपनी पत्नी को बाहर खाने पे ले गया और ना ही कभी उसके लिए कोई प्रेजेंट या गिफ्ट देता था. He just wanted to save all his money and keep it for himself. Means he was only collecting his money and kept it safely in the treasure. So वो क्या करता था, वो केवल अपने पैसे को इकट्ठा करता था, उसको संभाल के रख देता था. One day George fell very ill. A doctor was called to examine him. It was then when he found out that he was terminally ill and had just a few days left to live. So one day what happened? He got ill and his wife called a doctor, and what happened, doctor answered that there is few days left for the George because he has been suffering from a very incurable disease. So क्या होता है कि एक दिन जो जॉर्ज होता है वो बीमार हो जाता है, डॉक्टर को बुलाया जाता है, डॉक्टर उसका चेकअप करता है, एंड क्या रिजल्ट मिलता है कि ही वॉज टर्मिनली इल. टर्मिनली इल मीन्स ही वॉज, मतलब उसको ऐसी बीमारी लग जाती है डैट वॉज इनक्यूरेबल, जिसका कोई इलाज नहीं था, मीन्स डेडली डिजीज़, एंड इसके लिए कुछ ही दिन बचे थे. He was not as worried about his dying as he was about his money. But now what we saying that he was not worried that there is a few days left for him. वो बिल्कुल ही परेशान नहीं होता है कि इसके मरने के केवल कुछ ही दिन बचे हैं. In fact he was worrying about his money, बल्कि वो अपने पैसे को लेकर परेशान था. He wanted to figure out a way to be able to take his money with him to heaven. Now he was thinking about कि what to add या what to do by doing that I can carry my money by myself. Now वो क्या कर रहा था, वो सोच रहा था कि ऐसा क्या किया जाए कि मैं अपने पैसे को अपने साथ स्वर्ग ले जा सकूं. So student, you can see the what kind of person he was. He was not worried about his life. In fact, he was thinking about his money. One day he called his wife Mary and told her, listen carefully to what I am saying. When I die, I want to take all my money with me, place it in the cassette so that I can take it with me to heaven. So now what he did, अब उसने क्या किया, he called his wife one day and told him, his wife name was Mary. वो एक दिन अपनी पत्नी को बुलाता है जिसका नाम क्या रहता है, मैरी रहता है, and said to him, उससे कहता है, listen carefully to what I am saying. Means सुनो मेरी बात जो मैं ध्यान से कह रहा हूँ, तुम मेरी बात को ध्यान से सुनो जो मैं कह रहा हूँ. Keep it these things in your mind. When I die, I want to take my money with me. Now George is ordering to his wife. वो अपने पत्नी को ऑर्डर दे रहा है कि I want to take my money with me to the heaven. Place it in the cassette so that I can take it with me to heaven. Cassette means the box where the dead body is kept, and after that buried in the yard. So generally in the Christian community you have watching in the TVs that when they got dead, their body kept in the box, and after that they were buried in the churchyard and whatever. So स्टूडेंट क्या होता है कि वो बुलाता है अपनी पत्नी को और कहता है कि मैं इस पैसे को अपने साथ स्वर्ग ले जाना चाहता हूँ, इसीलिए तुम क्या करना, सारे पैसे को कैसेट में मीन्स वही बॉक्स में रख देना ताकि मैं इसको अब संभाल के अपने साथ स्वर्ग में ले जा सकूँ. He made her promise that when he died, she would somehow put all his money in the cassette. उसने अपनी पत्नी से प्रॉमिस किया और प्रॉमिस लिया भी कि when he died, जब वो मरे, she would somehow put all his money in the cassette. वो कैसे भी करके पत्नी उसकी उन पैसे को उसके कैसेट में रख दे. Soon after he passed away, and as part of the burial ritual, he was laid in the cassette. Now when the George passed away, जब जॉर्ज मर गया, and it was the last ceremony, अंतिम संस्कार का समय था, and it was the ritual of their community, जैसा उनके कम्युनिटी में जैसा रिचुअल था, जो रीति रिवाज था. His body was kept in the cassette, means उसके बॉडी को रखा गया बॉक्स में. Mary sat in a black dress near the cassette with her friend looking grim. Now Mary, the wife of the George, Mary क्या करती है, जो जॉर्ज की पत्नी रहती है, she had wore black dress at that time and was near the cassette. उस समय वो ब्लैक कलर का ड्रेस पहने रहती है और उसी बॉक्स के पास वो अपने फ्रेंड के साथ रहती है. लुकिंग ग्रीम, और बहुत ही दुखी दिखती है. when the ceremony got over, जब सेरेमनी मीन्स लास्ट रिचुअल वॉज over, the undertaker came forward. Undertaker means the person, as you can see, it is given in your book that undertaker means a person whose job is to prepare dead bodies for burial and arranging funeral. means जैसे लास्ट रिचुअल पे होता है, a person who come forward and perform all the rituals that is happened. So that undertaker came and close the cassette. Just then Mary said, just wait a minute. उसी समय मैरी सामने आती है, कहती रुकिए रुकिए, just wait a minute, एक मिनट. She went inside and got a small box and placed it in the cassette. means Mary went to the inside the house. वो मैरी घर के अंदर जाती है and brought a small box, एक छोटा सा बॉक्स ले आती है and placed it in the cassette and keep that box in the cassette. उस बॉक्स को वो क्या करती है, उसी कैसेट में रख देती है. The undertaker locked the cassette and rolled it away. और after that, undertaker, the person who performed all the rituals, he locked the cassette and rolled it away. और इसको क्या करता है, दफना देता है. His friend asked Mary if she had actually put all the money in the box as promised to her husband. Now the friend of the मैरी का जो दोस्त होता है वो पूछता है कि as you promised to the George, जैसा तुमने जॉर्ज से वादा किया था, did you keep all the money of your husband in the box? Mary told her that as she was a good Christian, she had indeed kept her promise to her late husband. Now Mary answer करती है, yes, I am a good Christian, मैं एक ईसाई हूँ, and according to my husband's wish I have did whatever his wish was. मैंने वो सब कुछ कर दिया जो उनके पति की इच्छा थी. Her friend then asked Mary that how she could fit all his wealth in a single box. Now the curious friend of Mary asked her, अब जो मैरी की जो फ्रेंड रहती है पूछती है कि how it possible that George earned so much and you kept everything in a little box. कि जॉर्ज ने तो इतना कुछ पैसा कमाया था, तुम इस छोटे से बॉक्स में कैसे सारे वेल्थ को, सारे धन को इकट्ठा करके रख दी. मैरी सेड, नाउ मैरी आंसर, कहती ओह इट वॉज वेरी ईजी. नो ये तो बहुत ईजी था, इट इज़ टू ईजी. आई कलेक्टेड ऑल द मनी एंड पुट इट इन टू माई बैंक अकाउंट. मैंने क्या किया, सारा पैसा मैंने इकट्ठा किया और उसको मैंने क्या किया, मैंने बैंक अकाउंट में डाल दिया. आई देन रोट हिम ए चेक ऑफ द एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट एंड हैड डिपॉजिटेड एंड प्लेस्ड द चेक इन द बॉक्स. और मैंने उस चेक को डिपॉजिट कर दिया. मीन्स आई देन रोट हिम ए चेक, और मैंने एक चेक लिखा ऑफ द एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट, जितने अमाउंट मेरे अकाउंट में थी मैंने उसका एक चेक लिखा. एंड आई हैड डिपॉजिटेड एंड प्लेस द चेक इन टू द बॉक्स. एंड आफ्टर डैट वॉट आई डिड, उसके बाद मैंने क्या किया, उस चेक को मैंने उस छोटे से बॉक्स में रखकर उसको मैंने कैसेट में रख दिया. सो स्टूडेंट, नाउ यू कैन सी कि वॉट द मैरी डिड. मैरी ने क्या किया, वो सारे पैसे को अपने अकाउंट में डाल लेती है और एक चेक होता है, जितना अमाउंट रहता है अकाउंट में उतना उस चेक पर लिखकर उस चेक को जॉर्ज के बॉक्स में यानी कैसेट में रख देती है. तो यू कैन सी हाउ माइजर जॉर्ज वॉज, बट हिज लेडी मैरी सी वॉज टू स्मार्ट. वो तो उनसे भी ज़्यादा स्मार्ट रहती है. So student, everything is left here, nothing is going on the heaven here, whatever. So your work, your good deed is always remember, and always be happy, and we should not collect only money. In fact, we should also spend it on a good deed. So student, now you read this chapter and learn its meaning. I will send its question answer through the homework. Okay, thank you.